How to use Hotel.com gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Hotels.com. Now enter your travel destination, check-in or check-out dates and other details to browse available hotels. Further, select your hotel, choose a hotel that fits your needs and proceed with the booking process. Finally, proceed to check out. Once you have selected your hotel, tap on the Book Now or Continue to Check Out button to begin the payment process. Now, apply the gift card. At the payment page, you will see an option to enter gift card code or promo code. Enter the gift card code you received via email or on the physical card. Now complete your booking. After entering the gift card code, the total cost of your booking will be reduced by the value of the gift card. If your gift card does not cover the entire amount, you can pay the remaining balance with another payment method, that is credit or debit card, PayPal, etc. Now, make the confirmation. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation of your booking and the gift card amount will be deducted from your balance. So, this is how you can use Hotel.com gift card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.